Good morning, class 8. I welcome you all in today's online class. This is our fourth part of your chapter, Rational Production. In previous chapter, we had talked about rational and many others. Here we will discuss about biofertilizers. What is biofertilizers? So listen to me very carefully. I have written here microorganisms which improve soil fertility by improving atmospheric nitrogen and dissolving nutrients present in it is called biofertilizers. Means simply we can say biofertilizers are those kind of fertilizers that is made by the help of microorganisms. What type of microorganisms? So such microorganisms which have tendency, which have capacity, they can just maintain the atmospheric nitrogen. The nitrogen that is present in the atmosphere, they just convert that nitrogen in the form of ammonia, and after converting this nitrogen into ammonia, they mix it in the soil, and just because of it, the soil get their nutrients. Here is the second topic, and the topic is what is manure. Okay, so we can say organic manure. Listen guys, manure is also known as organic manure. Sometimes it is called as organic manure. So we can say organic manure is produced by the decomposition of crop residue. Crop residue means the decomposition, the decomposed excretion, the remains of the crop or the animal dirt or the size of the nutrients. These are the processes, sewage also. Okay, so manure is such a chemical, or we can say organic manure is such a produce that is just produced by the decomposition of either plants or animals or their wastes. Sewage also. Okay, so this is known as manure. Manure is very fruitful for the plants during the growth and during the cultivation period. The next period, what is green manure? Listen. Some plants like diagram, cluster green and cowpea, they are grown exactly for the purposes of green manure. Once we grow this plant, as a result what we do, when we have once grown this plant, they produce, and especially they are produced from the manure. They are plowed again to the soil, so they are referred as green manure. Green manure are those manure plants which are grown for the purposes at the time of cultivation. When you are cultivating the crops, you can just spread these manure in the field, and they are very fruitful for the plants that is growing around in this green manure. Now the next topic, what is chemical fertilizer? Manure and fertilizer both are same, only one difference between them. Manure is biocompost, organic manure, but chemical fertilizer is prepared in the factories. Both do the same work. Both are used as a pesticide. They are sprayed in the field for killing the insects and many others for just growing the crops on a larger scale for fulfillment of their nutrients such as phosphorus is given, nitrogen is necessary, urea, phosphate, and many other things are there. So chemical fertilizer is man-made compost that is made in the factories by the human beings, and here manure is organic compost that is made by using plant decomposes, the decomposition of plants, animals or their excretions. Clear? So these are the topic that we have discussed. So move to the next topic, and in next topic we will discuss about. Okay guys, move to the next topic. Here we have written fertilizers and manures, means differences between fertilizers and manures. As I have already told you in your previous video, if we are talking about fertilizers, in fertilizers we have talked to you about it is just made by man in the factories. But here we will talk about comparison. We are just comparison. So I have written only the advantages of this. Then after I will tell you the disadvantages. So the advantages of fertilizer is it provides a specific nutrients not present in the manure. Here I have written it provides a specific nutrients that is required for the plant. Suppose the plant require nitrogen. Suppose the plant require phosphorus. So in this condition we use phosphate. We sprayed nitrogen fixations in the fields. So here fertilizer provide a specific nutrients. Second point we have written easy to store, transport, okay, or use. it can easily store, transport, and it can be used easily. You can take it from one place to another places easily. And the third one is readily absorbed by plants because they are water soluble. Means they can be easily absorbed by the plants. Why? Because it is made by such a process in which it is water soluble, and water soluble means the one which can dissolve in water easily. Here we will talk about the manures, and in manures we have written add humus to the soil. Means just because of manure the soil becomes more humus as compared to previous, and thus very useful for the soil. In second, we have written not so expensive and can be prepared from home wastes. It is not very expensive. The home waste means the pills of the vegetables, the pills of the fruits, and the plants that is getting dead, the animals dead, all the animals excretions, exertions, that is just dung. Okay, so by the help of these things you can make it at home, so it is not as expensive as we think of. And here does not cause pollution because it is derived from the decomposition of natural substances. Natural substances are not harmful for us just because of it. It is not as pollutant as fertilizer. Fertilizer causes pollution, but manure do not cause any kind of pollution. That is for today. If you face any problem in these topics, you can ask in the group. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.